Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making this beautiful twisted hairband with two different colors. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So these are the materials that I'm going to be working with. I have 1-inch elastic band and the length is about 5 inches. I also have 2 pieces of fabric with different colors and patterns, and it is measuring 7 inches width and 8.5 inches length. I also joined these 2 pieces together that I'm going to be using for the elastic casing. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fold each piece of fabric into 2. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine and stitch it with 1/2 inches allowance, and I'll also do the same to the elastic casing. I'm done stitching it and I'll turn it to the right side. The next thing is to take it to the iron table and iron it out, making sure that the stitch side is at the center. So I'm done ironing it. The elastic casing is about 11 inches length, while the width is 1 inch. Now take my septum pin and put it at one end of the elastic band, and I will insert it into the elastic casing. At some points, I use my pin and pin the end so that it will not remove from the casing. If you have watched this video till now, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. When I finish inserting the elastic, I'll use pin and hold it down so that it will not remove. Then I'll take it to my machine and stitch the both ends. After that, I'll place the elastic at the middle of one piece of the band, right sides facing each other, and I'll cover it and pin it down like this. Please pay close attention to this place so that you can understand how I did it. I will also take the other end of the elastic band, put it at the center of the remaining piece and cover it like so, and I will hold it with a pin. Remember to place your own right side facing each other. After that, I'll take it to my sewing machine and I'll stitch it down at the 2 ends that I joined them together. When I'm done stitching it, this is what it looks like. The next thing is to bring the 2 pieces together, right side facing each other, and I'll place one edge at the center of each other like this. Please watch what I'm doing. And I'll turn the other side at the back and turn this side at the front, and I'm going to stitch it together. Okay, let me take it again. I'll place it right side facing each other like so, and I'll shift it at the center. I'll make it to be at the center of each other. I'll turn one at the front and turn the other one at the back. So I'll pin it down and I'll take it to my machine and stitch it together. After stitching it together, I'll cut off the excess so that it will not be bulky at that place. Then I'll turn it like this, and our hairband is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also drop your view at the comment section and share this video so that it will reach more people. Bye, and I will see you in my next video.